try this recipe for lunch or dinner. It's super easy to make, and your family is going to love it. Let's start by slicing 1 kilogram of potatoes into 1 centimeter thick fingers. Transfer them into a bowl. Season the potatoes with a pinch of salt and a pinch of oregano. Mix well. Put the potatoes aside. Now cut 1 kilogram of meat into 1 centimeter thick slices as we've done with the potatoes. You can choose the cut of beef you prefer. To season the meat, add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of mild paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Using your hands, blend the spices together with the meat. If you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe, then like the video and share it with your friends. It'll help us greatly. Pay attention to carefully rub the spices on every piece of meat. Now put the meat and the potatoes on skewers. I've put half meat, half potatoes. Repeat the process with the rest of the meat and the potatoes. Write me in the comments below where you're watching us from so that I can personally thank you for keep on following us. You'll make us super happy. This recipe is super easy to prepare and it tastes delicious. Try it at home and write me in the comments what you think. Here, I have 2 skewers already prepared. I'm going to skewer one into the other so that I'll have just 1 large skewer. If you prefer, you can skewer the meat and potatoes on 2 sticks at once to make it easier. Cover them with aluminum foil. Pass it 2 to 3 times to be sure the skewers are well wrapped. Then, put them in a baking pan and into the oven preheated at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 90 minutes. Then, remove the aluminum foil using a fork. And our recipe is done, ready to be enjoyed. You can have them with a side of rice. It's amazing. I really hope you liked our recipe. Now I'll go and reply to your comments. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.